Hello, today I'm going to explain the EasyWay app and show you what features it has and how it works. This app is mainly designed for security guards so they can easily track their duty time, view their shifts, manage attendance records, and report any incidents that happen during duty. First, let's start with the Home section. When you open the app, the first screen you see is the Home screen. At the top, you can see your profile name, for example, Night Guard. Just below that, there is a greeting message like, "Good morning." If you have a shift scheduled for today, a message will appear saying, "You have a shift scheduled today." If there is no shift, it will show, "No shift scheduled." Below this, you will see the Tap to Check In button. This is one of the most important features of the app. When you arrive for your duty, you simply tap Check In, and your working time will start. When your duty is finished, you tap Check Out. This allows the system to calculate how many hours you worked. If you haven't checked in yet, the status will show Not Checked In. Under that, you will see the Total Attendance Days section. Here, you can view your attendance summary. It shows 3 categories: present, late, and absent. This helps you quickly understand how many days you were present at work, how many times you arrived late, and how many days you were absent. Next, you will see the Quick Actions section. This section gives you quick access to some important features. The first option is Attendance. When you open it, you can check in or check out and also view your attendance summary. The next option is Report. Here, you can see your attendance report. It shows the total number of present, pending, and absent records. You can also view attendance month-wise, such as March 2026, February 2026, January 2026, and December 2025. And check detailed attendance for each month. The next option is Notification. In this section, you can see all the notifications sent to you, such as shift reminders, company announcements, or important updates from your workplace. The fourth option is Incident. This feature allows you to report any incident that happens during your duty. When you open it, you can see previously reported incidents such as gate breach, broken window, or other reported events. Each incident shows its severity level, which can be low, medium, or high, along with the description and time. If you want to report a new incident, you can tap the plus button or New Incident option. Then you can enter the incident title, select the severity level, set the incident date and time, and write a description explaining what happened. If you have evidence images, you can upload up to 5 photos. After filling in all the details, you simply press Report, and the incident will be saved. Now let's move to the Shifts section. At the top, you will see a calendar view showing the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This helps you navigate between different days. Below that, there is a section called Your Shifts, where you can see the total number of shifts and total working hours. For example, it may show 4 shifts and 40 hours. Below this, you will find detailed information about each shift. Every shift shows the day, date, shift timing, and total hours. In this schedule, the shift timing is 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, which equals 10 hours per shift. For example, the Monday shift appears on March 2nd, March 9th, March 16th, and March 23rd, and these are marked as completed, while the March 30th shift is marked as upcoming. The Thursday shifts appear on March 5th, March 12th, March 19th, and March 26th. Each shift clearly shows its status. If the shift has already happened, it shows completed, and if the shift is coming in the future, it shows upcoming. This makes it easy to track both past and upcoming shifts. Finally, let's look at the Profile section. At the top of the profile page, you can see your name, for example, Night Guard. Below that, there is a theme option where you can change the app's appearance between light mode and dark mode. Next, there is the Emergency Contacts section. Here you can see emergency contact details such as contact name, phone number, and relationship. For example, it may show John Doe, phone number +12345678900, and relationship, spouse. If you want to update this information, the message indicates that it must be updated through the HR department. Below that is the Profile Details option. At the bottom of the page, there is a Log Out option. By tapping this, you can sign out of the application. So overall, the EasyWay app helps security guards manage their work more efficiently. They can check in and check out to track their duty hours, view shift schedules, monitor attendance records, receive notifications, and report incidents, all from a single app.